We are just in this trade about to. Right, so we've had a golden candle, 5 minutes bullish, 1 minute's gone bullish. Should have been tagged in that trade. Should be in already. So let's go. We are stop at 242.50, 242.50, and we're going to take profit at 284, which is 284. So we're not running for anything bigger than that because we've gone on quite a large move and we're coming up into one of our special levels on alpha zones. So I think 15 points is enough on this trade. Even right now, we could just be rejecting off it. But with coming back above and the 5 minutes still being bullish, we could just get a little bit higher, moving up to take this high, right? So this would be my sort of break-even point, right? Even potentially take profit. We'll see if we can get a little bit more on the trade. Today has just been a crazy day, been non-stop wins. So for example, right now, we go back to sort of when I normally trade, right? So let's go through some of these golden candle setups. So here we have a new alpha zone. This is our hourly alpha zone, right? So we're above the 50. We start off bullish, we get a new hour, we come above the hour, and then we start a golden candle retracement down to our 50, right? And we're looking for an opportunity to go long. If you look at the 5 minute, we start our bullish volume back here, right? So we come above the 50, so we're expecting a little bit of a pullback, which is what we get, and we're waiting for the confirmation, close over our 1 hour, which we get with our break signal, plus a golden candle, plus our 2 time frames aligned, and we absolutely rip to the upside. So if you were taking this trade, you would have entered on the, say on the break of that, your stop will go below the alpha zone since we're so close, or below the golden candle, right? And then we've got targets above. So we've got the previous 4 hour, so you could have played it up towards that, and that's obviously for like 5R. 2R is an easy one, 1.5. Either way, you'd have absolutely smashed whatever target it was you were looking for, even if you waited until we closed back below on this candle, right? You'd have run that trade up for 4.7R. So, you know, if you're risking 200 per trade, then you're making, you know, $900 on that trade, which is just crazy. And if you did that across 5 accounts, that's $4,500 in one trade from a perfect golden candle setup. And we've seen that happen all day today. We're a little bit later on today, but volume's still good, ATR's still high, and bang, trade hit. Boom, boom, boom. So you've seen me take that live, $285, 15 points, 0.5R. Just a quick scalp on this one because we're inside this level. But it's been an absolute killer today. Just glad that I've been out of the office. I've been out today. I wasn't able to be in the office while I'm recording on the Mac at home. So apologies if the sound's a little bit off. But I wanted to jump on and see if we could grab a trade. But it has just been absolutely killer today, ever since we started at 9:30. So you can see 9:30 opens. We get a break signal. Even off of that break signal, it gives you well over 30 points on that trade. And this is where our hourly is so important. We break back above, right? We get a close above the 50, close above our alpha zone, bullish. 1 hour was coming above, 5 minute was coming above. And whether you waited and got in later on, it ran all the way back to our secret level. Once we hit that level, we start our 10 AM candle and we start rejecting. Now our daily is bearish, which is up here. So we've got a bearish daily. And when you have a bearish secret candle, my God, can you have a bearish day and have some incredible runners? So we come down, we reject, we're still above our 50, we're rejecting, we're below our hour. You then get a bearish break, we come back below, the 5 minute goes bearish, bang, another trade. 1 hour starts, we're below the 50. Your trend wave is bearish, your candles are bearish, you get a bearish golden candle. Let's have a look at the 5 minute during that time as well and see what this was saying. Here's our 5 minute, so we get a 5 minute golden candle at the same time. Our 5 minute closes under, so by this point here, you can see the 5 minute is well bearish. It is an absolute stonker of a trade. So let's see what you could have done. All right, so I like to play the break of the golden candle, right? So let's say I enter on the break, I put my stop above, I'm at 1.52 R without even blinking, job done. Next candle, we get a golden candle, we start our little bit of a retracement, everything's still bearish, the 5 minutes still lovely. Golden candle, don't even need to tell you how much R that is, that's probably about 10. Killer. Over and over again, all day, this setup has paid and paid and paid. And you've seen me live just take a trade as we were doing it for the same confluences and pull 15 points out of the market within about 15 minutes, right? We're seeing this setup absolutely kill it for the people in the Discord. It's been the first day that they've been able to trade it, and the guys have just been loving it in terms of potential results, what it's been giving them. And you know what, guys? It's really easy for you to follow as well. We've created these A+ setups, right? So you can see this bearish example, what we just went through on the chart. Really simple. We've got a golden candle. We get a sell signal as well. Our trend wave's bearish, right? Our candles are bearish. 50's bearish. Our 1 hour's bearish. We're under our secret level. Our stop, we get tagged in on this candle. Our stop comes above on our sell signal, right? And boom, 1.5 R. Everything aligns. 5 minute, 1 minute, let's go, right? So we give you these setups and help you in the Discord with a course as well as live trading so that you can be taking these same entries and be absolutely being able to smash your trading. It is clear and simple for you to follow, but has been built using price movement with buyers and sellers. And that is the secret to this strategy. It's all around making sure that you're on the right side of the market with alpha zones. So all you need to do is, if you're interested, right, you can go up onto our WOP store. It's $147, lifetime, all in, all updates, forever. And you get everything that's included in it. It only takes one trade, which you've seen me just do live with you, right? And it's paid, done, money back in your bank. And you've got this forever. So if you go on my description to this video or go to X, you can follow me, which is ZooFXing, ZOOFXING, right? You can follow me there. In my bio is the link to this, or I'll put it in the description of this video so that you can grab it. We are live on Thursday, live on Tuesday, and twice a week we are taking trades with open mics so you can talk to us. And you see my executions, just like you're doing there. Nothing hidden. If you're a beginner and you're looking for help and you need to be profitable, this is the place to be. So I look forward to seeing you. Thanks to everybody who's joined. Excited for the future, and welcome to Golden Candle.